Right, so we have now match number 2 for District 2. This is between Sibulan and Dumaguete Team A. The first point goes to Dumaguete Team A in light blue uniform. Yeah, so top 2 per district will be advancing to the quarterfinals. So for District 2, there are 6 teams. That was outside. This is Calis, former FUA Greyhounds. Oh, it's an attack by Sunga. It's 2 serving 1. Bigay sa gitna. Sorion, mid-attack. Open for Manalo. Block by Pauline. Another block by Pauline. And that's a point for Sibulan. First deadlock of the ball game. 2-all. Ace. 10 for Pauline. That's a good attack. Dumiretso. Bumigay sa gitna. 4-7-2. Okamura. It's 3-7-4. Bumigay sa open to Ayon. Return sa gitna by Sirion. There's a drop. Bigay sa opposite. Return po Dumaguete. Tingnan natin. Ayon again. There's a block by Pauline. Pauline. Alright. For Dumaguete. The score is 4-all. Ayon again. 5-7-4 and 8 by Dimson. There was already a 2 service aces for Dimson. Balik ulit at 5-7-7. Lefty, that's Okamura. 8 serving 5. Tingnan natin anong play. Bigay sa open. Ito, there is a one-hand dig. Calis for easy return. 6 serving 8. That was Pauline Berante. Sirion. Bigay sa open.
9-7 in favor of Sibulan.
There was an enforced error in service. So our score is 9, serving 10. Dito sa gitna.
Serving, jersey number 7, the team captain of Sibulan.
Outside. 3-point lead for the green team. Natin. Ito, nakuha. Binigay sa opposite. So, dahil hindi pumasok. Ganda ng serve. Good. Oh. 1-point lead for the green team. It's 11 serving 12. So, Dumaguete serving with Sunga. Ganda ng at hindi pumasok. Second deadlock. It's 12-all. Binigyan sa gitna. Left inside. Natin. It's a return. Binigyan sa gitna. outside.
24. Team score.
Reception. Again. Return. Natin lang play. Oh, dito sa open. Alright, so there were the two service aces by Rocamora. So Sibulan called for a timeout. Wise play by Siet. For straight point for Rocamora. It's now 14-17. So ayon, block by Rante. Hindi na save. It's now 18-14. Lumalaki na ang abante ng Dumaguete. Ang daming block na ng Bayrante. So Bayrante is actually my former player in the high school at ayun. So 19-14, 5-point lead for Dumaguete. So it's actually my hometown Sibulan. Siit. We had a substitution for Sibulan. Score natin is 20-15, an ace again, and daming ace. Dami na ng point ni Rocamora. Outside. Nag-meltdown ang team ng Green. Dami na ng points, no? From 13 to 22, imagine. Yeah, good. Si Riton, tingnan natin anong play. Ayan. Kuha. Lumusot. One. Oh! Ilalim kinuha. Kaya ayun. Ang ganda ng serve. Hindi makasok. Then Pintos for Siit 23-16. It ended with an ace serve, so we are on for the second set. Start of set number 2 with Siit serving. Block by De Los Niños. The first point goes to Sibulan.
Jersey number 19 of Sibulan.
Post error.
1-all.
First deadlock in the ball game. The second set it's 1-all. Second deadlock, it's 2-all. Sunga serving. First middle of wall, was falling by Rante. He's serving 2. Binigay sa opposite. Pumasok.
Score 4-all.
It's 5-7-4. Serve. Net violation.
4-5-all.
Six, 7-5. By Rankin. Wow. That's a serve. That's an opposite. Side. It's now 8-6. Change of lead na tayo. Side. It's now 9-6. Good serve. Tingnan natin if it's open. Ito. Dinerecho. So dapat hindi pumasok. Serve. Dinerecho. Into play. Tingnan natin yung 2-point lead for Dumaguete is 8-10. Okay, after that service error was Manalo, there was a lefty that comes in, substituting our lefty. 12-8. Sibulan call for a timeout. This is set number 2. Las Niños was blocked by Suna. Yeah. So 9-13. Again, this is set number 2. Match between Sibulan and Dumaguete for District 2. Right, so there was the 2-man substitution. Abersaldo and Lincoln in for Dumaguete. Score is 14-9. Good, still good. Then you guys opposite. Vidal.
Number 34. Suma.
15-9. Sa gitna. Tingnan natin. Ito, Tuayon. Good block by Sibulan.
Of Sibulan.
It's then serving 15. 5-point lead. Tao. Kalituhan. Ito.
First captain.
Outside. 17-10. Ito, tingnan natin. Ibinigay sa opposite. Inside. Ito ayon. Hindi pumasok. 12-17. Sirian is serving for the green team, Sibulan. Si Balingkong, ibinigay sa opposite. Reset. Dumaguete called for the first time out. It's 13-17. 4-point lead for Dumaguete, the blue team. Ibigay sa gitna. Yun. So, ayon. Sa gitna ulit, Abersaldo. Hindi naman pumasok ulit. Sayang.
Vidal of Dumaguete. Abersaldo.
16 serving 14.
14 serving 19.
Ay, ano ba? Ang daming service errors ng Sibulan. Kaya ito tuloy ang score. Block by Sunga. Calis, another block by Sunga. 20 serving 16. This is set number 2. Got out of 3. Oh, miscommunication sa kanila. Yan, so it's 17-22. Pinapalabas na yung starting 6 ng Dumaguete. Ayun, 3 o 4 na magkasunod-sunod. So 23 serving 17, ibig na sa opposite. Block out. Second chance, match point for Dumaguete. Tingnan natin kung matatapos ba. Si Bedolobero, binigay sa gitna. And tapos ang laro.